Ball picking that up, George. Radford, a good goal.
Good cross. Lockley away. Hibbett down. Dugan trying to knock it back for Hibbett. And very nearly a penalty then as Hibbett goes flying into the box trying to get that knockback ball for Barnett. Nothing given. George. Bailey gets it though. Munro. Richards neatly down. Richards on. Good try! Good goal! What a fine goal from John Richards! Well, he caught everybody out for that one. Jeff Barnett livid. John Richards breaks that scoreless run of 5 games in the league and levels the score at 1-1. Mike Bailey delighted then as John Richards caught the entire Arsenal defence out, cutting in on his own. They were looking for the pass, he didn't do it, and knocks one in off the far post. Little buzz of excitement in that corner. Story knocking it in. Marinello. Alan Ball. Pat Rice has started to run outside, but it's early for George. Radford. Oh, what a good shot, the great goal! John Radford scores his second. How that squeezed in underneath Parks, he'll never know. It's 2-1 Arsenal, and Parks is on his knees and sick all over again. So there it is, building up the attack across the goal, and it's John Radford who gets on the end of it for his second goal of the afternoon to give Arsenal a 2-1 advantage. Wolves, who lost their last home game here 2-0 to Leeds, could only draw with Palace the previous home game. Will certainly be upset if they lose this one, and Marinello's going for a third. And Marinello has got a third. Referee Cayley looks for his linesman, gets no signal from him. So this game now, I would say, inched quite beyond